friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove all hyperlinks in MS Word document at once. Let's start the video without any delay. Here is the text that contains hyperlink on every single word. And it required much time to remove hyperlink one by one as seen in this clip. First, select all the text by pressing Ctrl+A. Now press these three buttons at once. Ctrl+Shift+F9. Here is the magic that all the hyperlinks from text are removed at once. Hope you liked the video. Please share your experience about the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.